I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by locking a stable platform, level the tripod, and confirm the spreader is secure. Once done, mount the EQ head and tighten bolts so there's zero play. This prevents drift later. Next, set the mount's latitude to your observing location and install the polar scope. You do this now because accurate latitude reduces polar alignment time. Make sure the mount's R-ray axis spins freely and prepare counterweights, but don't attach them yet. You next attach the optical tube and balance the system. Unlock the R-A. Clutch and slide the tube until R-A. Balance is achieved, then lock and repeat for deck. Once balanced, perform a rough polar alignment through the polar scope. Refine alignment using a bright star and drift method or a polar alignment app for precision. After alignment, install and tighten counterweights on the shaft and confirm the mount rotates smoothly. You power the mount and enter precise date, time, and location. This gives the GOTA system the data it needs to point accurately. Next, perform a 2- or 3-star alignment or calibrate autoguider so the mount learns periodic error and orientation. Then test slews to targets and confirm centering to within 1 to 2 arc minutes. If tracking is poor, first check balance and belt tension, then inspect encoder cables and grounding. Fix those before rerunning alignment to save time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.